Welcome back to learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a three-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. This is a continuation of the previous session, where we learnt the basics of Muay Thai clinch. In case you missed it, go watch that first.
Hello all, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy, and today we have a very important lesson to learn. And to help me further with these techniques, I have my student Ganesh and Rishabh today. The lesson we're learning today would be about the Mae Mai and Look Mai. The ancient Thai teachers had the strategy of codified combinations for fighting and become more skillful in unarmed combat. Well, these would be divided into 15 techniques in Mae Mai and 15 techniques in Look Mai. When I say Mae Mai, it's the My Kru or the master tricks. So when these are tricks, you should understand they won't be limited with only a few movements. I mean to say they would be infinite. So each and every technique will be leading to a next technique. They are all interconnected. So you will have a brief understanding when you see the techniques rolling. Alright? Today let's now see the first technique called as Salab Fan Pla. Salab Fan Pla, which means moving in the diagonal direction. Alright, I would now request my student Ganesh to help us with this action. Ready, Ganesh? Thank you. Now, let's say I would use this technique, for example, against the cross jab. Alright, please come there. Alright. Ready, cross jab. Okay, you can see the cross jab from the rear side. So when the attack is coming from the cross jab, I would move diagonal. So I would move diagonal so the incoming attack is avoided. At the same time, it gives me the leverage and the balance to go for a counter attack. The counter attack can be a lock like this, it can be a hold, or it can just be a straight attack as well. We will see that in the course of applications now. Ready? Let's do the first movement now. Against the cross jab, it's a lock and this will be a break. This will be an arm break. Now from here, I move inside and this can be a shoulder break as well. You lift this the opposite side, this can bring the shoulder apart. That's one of the technique. I'll show the second technique now. Ready? Cross jab, up, clinch, and the rear knee is ready to go for the jab, up, jab, up, jab. After this, you would turn around the neck. This will cause a neck break and trip the person down and this would finish. These are all techniques used in the warfare when the soldier had lost his weapon. So he has to be skillful how to protect when the enemy attack with the weapons. Okay, let's go for one more technique now. Ready? Cross jab, up, up, up. Right? This is the neck break. Okay, that would be three different techniques using one Salab Fan Pla. Thank you. We'll now see another technique where it involves a lock and a kick and a break. Ready, Ganesh? So come into position, cross jab. There's a lock and kick, and this arm you turn. The joint comes on the shoulder and you break. Now we have the other technique for you. Good. Ganesh, ready? Let's go for the cross jab. Bang, bang. And this goes for the head kick. Up, away. After the head kick, you would go for the rear leg, break the rear leg. Alright? In this position, you would extend the arm, and you can see solar plexus open here. The elbow would strike right into the solar plexus. Thank you. Let's now watch the technique number 2, the Paksa Waeg. Paksa is a Sanskrit word which means the bird peeping through the nest. Alright? Now we use the block. The Paksa Waeg is a block. So from the fighting stance, this is to block any rotational swings coming on the head. One, and one. Let's see now. Ready? Rishabh and Ganesh, ready? Okay, good. Now Rishabh will go for a swing. You can now see Ganesh slowly doing the Paksa Waeg. Now there is a technique here. The hold, the first hold comes below the bicep, very close to the elbow joint, so that the elbow is not free to go for any further attack. Second block comes across the forearm, so the fist doesn't pass through to finish the hook punch. So you're locking the upper arm and the lower arm with this one block. This is the technique for Paksa Waeg. Right? Let's now see how to apply. Right? Ready? As the swing comes in, Paksa Waeg, block. This itself is a breaking point. Break, break, lock, break, and this is a choke. Thank you. Paksa Waeg using elbow. Three elbows. Paksa Waeg using kick and knee. Ready? Up. A neck break and breaking the spine. So that would be the few applications using the Paksa Waeg technique. Thank you. Let's now watch the Chawas or Hawk, the Javanese throwing the spear technique. So when I use the word spear, you should understood it could be the elbow technique. Alright, let's now ask Ganesh and Rishabh to demonstrate that for us. Alright, please take your position. Now Ganesh would take a swing, it's against a rotational movement, a swing, and Rishabh would avoid the incoming attack. At the same time, he would counter with the elbow. Alright, please. 1, 2. Yes. This attack goes on the lateral muscle. It goes attacking the lateral muscle from the outside. Let's go again. Ready? Slide 45 footwork. Ready? 1, up, 2. Yes. Again. Let's go. 1, 2. Wonderful. So that's how you move into the technique, where against the incoming swing, you move slide 45 and then you finish with the side elbow to the lateral muscle. This is the technique. Let's now see how to apply. Ready? Let's go. Up, up, and you can see the lead leg. Up, break. Okay, Ganesh. Thank you. The second technique, the same against the swing now. Right? Up, and the technique goes from behind, and then you step and go for the canary line long. Okay? Please watch it again. Ready? Up, up, walk in, and this kick goes to the face. Thank you. Great. So those were the first 3 techniques of Mae Mai Muay Thai. Right? Please do like and share our videos, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next episode. Thank you.